Saturday, July 4th, and I ran out here about an hour ago. I've just been filling up Dad's vehicle and a bunch of the jerry jugs. It is apocalyptically hot out here, but Aidan is back on the second coat of the primer, and he got some light instruction from Dad yesterday on how to do it, but they're starting to work really well together here. Aidan's even telling Dad what to do and blah blah blah. So there's nothing much you can get in the way of here. It's a two-person job, but Aidan's job right now is a one-person job. I'm just standing back because I don't need to suck in any primer paint fumes, and Dad is gonna clean some parts over here. So I'm gonna let these guys do their thing, and I'll check back in with them this afternoon. And but it sure looks good when it sure looks good. Like it looks like the next stage has started with all that primer in there now. Like they're on the final thing, because they were so busy with all the buffing and grinding and welding and whatever else that you just didn't know where it was going to end. But they know now that like this is this final stage. They are still going to push everything back out of the shop to hopefully sand the rest down, because I really don't want them sanding in the shop. It'll be a frickin' mess if they do. And but we just need warmer weather. That's all it is. And with the threat of rain all the time, we can't really do too much. But Dad's just going to show Aidan how to do this. I hate when he does this, because it's not like Aidan doesn't know what the hell he's doing. He's already done this twice and a few other times on a few other machines. So anyways, we're going to let these guys do their thing, and then I'll check back in with them later on. The old cat is waiting for little Nina Pinta Santa Maria to come back. Waiting in the doghouse. Oh, Saturday, July 5th. Hotter than Hades out right now. Rained all night, so it's nice and damp and humid and everything like that. When I was here yesterday, Aidan was doing the second coat of primer, and so it's kind of get gas out the shop. Didn't do a very long video, but you can see just from yesterday to today just how glossy that looks now and how nice it looks. And the interior is just showing up really beautiful, really nice. Be a nice it'll be beautiful to work inside there now. Little stink of paint right now, but that's to be expected. Big fan going on in the shop. That's what you hear in the background. And not really good lighting here, but you can see just how glossy all this looks, and how shiny everything is. Really brightened everything up. Even got painted onto the wheel wells there, but as you can tell, Dad's putting the axles back on. Everything would have gotten cleaned up, washed up, tested, and set for reinstallation here. Back on the other side, Dad's still doing the same thing. He's almost done. As you can see, he's got that one done. That one he's just testing out, and then he's got the other one he still has to put on, and the back one's on. The front ones are already on. So I think the idea is they want to get the tracks on here at some point, and but got to get those tires done. Dad wants me to go down this week sometime. I got to go to the dentist. I got a horrible toothache that I've had for months. My last filling didn't take quite the right. It's not a horrible toothache, but a pretty bad toothache. So I got to get that redone. I need some glasses, so I got to take a couple days off from medical. Go do that. Dad is at that point where I can't really keep going, but I didn't know what the hell these guys were going to do here. And so they're getting all the new bearings put on there, and this is at that stage where having that spare set of bearings and races and seals is paramount. Very tough getting bearings, races and seals. Sometimes it takes me 6 to 8 weeks to get a full order in, but I had another full order already on supply. And I just want to restate what you guys need here. I'll show you. Can't remember the exact numbers that you need, but these are the ones. These are the seals, SKF seals, and this is the part number is 13839. And I think you need 16 of those, if I remember correctly. Can't remember. Anyways, Timken's bearings, 15118. And then you also need a Timken 15250X. You need, we prefer Timken, but you guys want to do the cheap Chinese bearings, go ahead. You'll be replacing more often with a lot more work. Timken 09074. And finally, we use Timken 09196. And so I got a full set here. And then we have extra things here. Like you're always going to need extra little caps, whatnot, for your wheels and whatnot. And these things, you can get them off of Ryan Johnson, only a couple bucks each. You need those for sealing everything off. So make sure you have all that little stuff on stock, because heaven forbid you need it and don't have it. So again, I think we're at reached the peak here of what we got to do, and we're down on the downhill slope of this job. Now that the inside is they've been primed twice, and they're putting on those axles again. Yeah, and then Charlie, hi Charles, unloved dog of mine. So unloved. Nobody sees a senior dog in this shop anymore, hey? Jeez. So yeah, they got to put those axles back on. They got to get those tires back on, but we're gonna get those tires foam filled yet, and then get the tracks back on. They want to get it out into the yard and do all the rest of the sanding and painting out there. And then this way old dogs don't have to breathe this in. Charlie's been sleeping in the shop here the last couple of nights because it's so damn hot for him, and too many mosquitoes, and he can't handle it outside. So that's what these guys are up to today. Lots of progress, and we'll check in with these guys later on. Still in the doghouse looking for her Nina Pinta Santa Maria. My poor baby cat. Just love that little dog.